So this past week, I was in Vegas and I noticed something. A lot of the strategies that these casinos use to pull people in are the exact same psychological tactics that I use to make people spend more money. The thing is, most beginners have no clue how to do this. So today, I'm gonna break down how this pricing psychology actually works and how you can apply it to your Etsy business so you can make more money. Now, the first one is anchors and decoys. See, casinos use this trick everywhere. You'll see a $25 table sitting next to a $75 one and a $100 one. That's not by accident. It's designed to make that $25 table look like the safe bet, while the $100 table makes you feel like you have the chance to make more faster. All you see is the two options. That's it. Even though there's three, you completely ignore the middle one. So here's how you would apply that same logic to your Etsy shop. You set up three options for your products. Your VIP or premium version, let's say $65 with bonus features or some added freebies. Then you add the decoy. This one is priced close to it, maybe $60, but no bonuses, no freebies. And then your standard option for $40. It's basic, bare bones, nothing special. Now look at what happens here. See, the $40 suddenly feels like that safe choice because it's cheaper, while that $65 looks like the better deal. They completely ignore the decoy entirely, and your customers will either pick the safe standard option or go all in for the VIP. And more than likely, they'll always go with the larger stacked value. That's because that decoy price tricks their brain into thinking that deal is much better. Now, the next one here is bundle stairs. See, casinos use bet ladders to get you to play more, which makes you spend more. You could do the same thing here with your bundles. Here's the setup. You have one item for $80, two for $150, and three for $195. Once they start running the numbers in their head, they realize if they purchased those three single items separately, they would spend more money. And this is how you nudge them to spend more money without feeling pressured at all. That's Vegas Psychology 101. And a bet on top of your original, because why not? You have the chance to double your winnings, right? 3 is table minimums. Casinos raise their minimum based on the demand. And you can do the same exact thing with your shipping policy or the product itself. Depending on how many items you're selling on a daily basis, you could up the product value. But for this one, we're just gonna focus on shipping because it's the easiest. What you do here is set free shipping threshold. Say orders over $35, ship for free. That instantly flips their mindset. Instead of thinking, ugh, they're shipping, the buyer thinks, well, let's see what else I can add to get that free shipping price. Then go back to step 1. Remember the safe bet, the decoy, all that? Now they're not annoyed. They're motivated. They're looking to spend more money. And you just turn shipping into a psychological upsell. Now here's one. Chips, they hide the pain. See, casinos don't let you bet with cash because chips, it numbs the pain. It's not real money. It's just a plastic circle. And you could do the same thing with your pricing strategy. Stop selling your item at full price. Instead, mark it down with a sale. However, the sale price you want them to land on should be the exact price that you want to sell that item for. For instance, say if you want to make $8, list the item for $10, add a 20% discount, and now it's $8. The sale hides their pain in spending the money. They feel like they're getting some sort of deal. And if the deal is sweet enough, they may even buy 2. Now comps, they equal value stacking. You ever wonder why they give you free drinks? It's to keep you at the table longer. They know the longer you stay, the more money you'll spend. And you can apply this same concept with value stacking in your listing. You do this by adding keywords or visuals. Say things like free personalization, free digital proofs, free gift wrapping, or the best, buy one, get one free. This isn't about being manipulative. It's about creating perceived value. The more you offer, the longer they stay. And if you offer 2 items, they're going to be searching for that freebie. Now just remember to stack it with a decoy so people gravitate towards that higher priced item. Next one, FOMO, fear of missing out. This one is the best. See, casinos create FOMO by closing tables. They make you hunt for one that's open. And you could do the same thing by creating scarcity in your listing. Limit the amount of a particular item. So say you're only offering 3 and it shows 3 are left. Or send an email that goes to a listing that you know is going to be sold out soon. See, the scarcity builds the urgency. It taps into their emotion. And people hate missing out more than they love saving money. So when you use FOMO right, then they'll check out instantly before they even second guess it. And if they end up missing out, then they're going to click that refresh button until it becomes available. Oh, and also, they're never going to miss an email from you again. Now, the house edge. See, in Vegas, the house always wins because the house never plays game with negative edge. This is the same thing in business. Your house edge is your margin. If your margin's not where it needs to be, then you're gambling. You're not running a business. So set a non-negotiable margin floor, say 40% profit. Now you're gonna price it backwards. That means you calculate product cost, ad spend, fees, all of that, everything. And if the final price doesn't hit that 40% mark, then don't sell it. Because if you're not protecting your margins, then you're not the house, you're the player. And the player always loses. Now, like I said, Vegas casinos are so similar to owning a business. And walking through last week, I saw it everywhere. The psychology, the design, the marketing. And I realized this is the same game we play online every day as business owners. The only difference is you get to choose which side of the table you sit on. So stop playing small, be the house, and take all the money. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.